Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at and installing the RECON Ultra Bright Smoked LED taillights. These lights are specifically designed for 21 through 23 Ford F-150s and F-150 Raptor models with the BLIS system, which is otherwise known as the Blind Spot Information System. Now these taillights are a direct replacement for OEM, and they will only work with taillights equipped with BLIS. They will not work with any other taillight module. Now, a couple product highlights. These RECON taillights are built for performance and durability. They are made from military-grade reinforced ABS plastic. They are impact resistant. They are also IP67 waterproof rated. They do have UV protection, made with high-intensity OLED lights with a 50,000 plus hour lifespan, and they are fully SAE and DOT compliant. Now the warranty for these taillights are only 90 days, and they are a limited warranty. Now the good thing about RECON taillights is that you can purchase extended warranties, anything from 1 year, 3 year to a 5 year, and the cost will vary depending on the coverage. I opted for the 3-year warranty, which was $60. I think that is the sweet spot. Now, as far as the installation process of these taillights, it's extremely easy. All you really need is a few basic tools, essentially a ratchet, an 8mm socket, and a T25 Torx bit. Now, as far as removing the OEM taillight, the process is relatively easy. You just have to release the tailgate, then remove 2 8mm bolts that secure the taillight housing, and then gently pull the taillight housing straight back to release it. And once that's done, you can detach the main wiring harness clip. After the taillights are removed, you will need to transfer the BLIS module to the new RECON taillights. Now you'll locate the module on the back of the OEM taillight. You'll see that it uses T25 Torx bit, so remove all 4 screws that holds the module, and then once you do so, pull the module out and unclip the electrical connector. Now all you need to do is to install the BLIS module back into the new RECON light is to do the exact opposite. Now be careful, do not over tighten the screws as they could crack the plastic housing. Now, after you make all the connections, all you need to do is connect the new RECON taillight assembly to the factory wiring harness, and then align the taillight housing and press it back into place, and then reinstall those 2 8mm screws to secure the light. This is the easiest to install, and it does not take very long at all. So even if you are a novice, do not hesitate to do this yourself. I think the results are fantastic. These smoke taillights look amazing on a black vehicle, though they'll look pretty amazing on any color vehicle. Now this does have a custom animation sequence, as you see here. It's a great visual upgrade and adds a lot to the actual taillights. Now if you're interested in these taillights and you want to install them on your truck, you can check out my Amazon link in the video's description. And if you have any questions about these taillights or the installation process, then feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for checking out the video.